ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT, Generative Pretrained Transformer, architecture. It is designed to understand and generate human-like language, allowing it to engage in conversations with users on a wide range of topics. The benefits of using ChatGPT include access to vast amounts of information. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast corpus of text data, including books, articles, and websites, allowing it to provide accurate and comprehensive responses to a wide range of questions. Instant responses. ChatGPT is capable of generating responses in real time, allowing users to get instant answers to their questions. Natural language processing. ChatGPT uses natural language processing, NLP, techniques to understand and generate language, allowing users to interact with it using natural language rather than specific commands or keywords. Personalized experience. ChatGPT can learn from previous conversations to provide a personalized experience for each user. To use ChatGPT, you can follow these steps. Choose a platform. ChatGPT is available on various platforms, such as web browsers, mobile applications, and messaging platforms. Choose the platform that suits you best. Initiate the conversation. Once you are on the platform, initiate the conversation by typing in your question or topic of interest. For example, what is the capital of France? Or, can you help me with my math homework? Receive the response. ChatGPT will process your question and provide you with a response. The response will be generated based on its analysis of a vast amount of text data and knowledge. Continue the conversation. Based on your initial response, you can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions or providing additional context to help ChatGPT better understand your needs.